In the ancient corridors of global trade, Ethiopia's quest for maritime access resurfaces. A historic agreement with Somaliland, a region seeking recognition, promises Ethiopia a slice of the Red Sea, a 20-kilometer coastline in exchange for shares in Ethiopian Airlines and the coveted recognition as a sovereign state. Somaliland's autonomy, declared in 1991, remains unacknowledged by many, its status a chess piece in the geopolitical game. The agreement, seen as a strategic maneuver, is a potential catalyst for economic growth and a source of contention with Somalia. This deal, a beacon of hope for Ethiopia's landlocked economy, underscores the importance of maritime access and the power of international recognition.